Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you several ways how you can increase your Brave browser speed and performance really quickly. For example, if it has been working pretty slowly recently. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Launch the Brave browser. And what you want to do in the first step, guys, is check if your Brave browser is up to date or if you're using the most recently released version of it. To do that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and click on settings here at the bottom to access your browser settings. And what you want to do, guys, next is click on the About Brave icon in the bottom left corner here. And here you will see which version of Brave you're currently using. Brave will then be looking for the most recently released version here, and if there are any updates available, Brave will ask you for permission to download and to install it to update your Brave browser to the newest version. So do that in the first step. In the next step, guys, I would suggest you disable and also remove all unnecessary extensions that might slow down your Brave browser and its performance. To do that, again, click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or if you're already in your account settings, select extensions here on the left panel. Click on Manage Extensions to gain access to your list of all currently running extensions in your Brave browser here, and simply remove the extensions you don't need anymore by clicking on Remove here, or alternately disable them by switching them off here to the right. Do that with any extensions you believe might be causing issues. So that's number two. The third approach would be to clear your browsing data and also the cache. For example, if there is a lot of cache stored in your Brave browser, that might lead to performance issues too. So to check that, simply click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner again, and from that drop-down menu, hover your mouse or click on Delete Browsing Data here. You may also use the shortcut Shift-Control-Delete on your keyboard. And what you want to do next, guys, is here in the Advanced section is select your time range. I would suggest you delete or remove the browsing data for all time or the cache data. You may also select the data from specific time range, like the last hour, the last day, the last week or month. So that's totally up to you. I will go with the data from all time, and simply make sure that you clear at least your browsing history, your download history, cookies and other site data. That's optional, but I would also suggest you delete the cached images and files, especially if there have been stored a lot of masses of MB or GB of cached files, and maybe even autofill form data. That's totally up to you. So you can leave the rest unselected if you like your passwords, for example, or sign-in data, and confirm by clicking on delete data here to delete your browsing history as well as your cached images and files. So in the last step, guys, what you want to do also is disable the hardware acceleration here on your Brave browser. To do that, if you're already here inside your browser settings, simply head over to System here on the left panel and take a look at these options here at the top below System. So what I would suggest you do is simply turn off your graphics or hardware acceleration when available here by switching it off here to the right, and after relaunch your Brave browser to fix the issue. Alternately, however, that's optional. I have learned that disabling the option above, continue running background apps when Brave is closed, may lead to some positive results as well, and may increase your browser's performance significantly or visibly, but it's totally up to you guys. That's optional. So that's the 4 measures or steps you may take to speed up your browser's performance here on Brave. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.